Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you? What are you doing?
I'm having breakfast.
That looks delicious.
Thank you. What are you doing?
I'm getting ready for the day.
Are you going out?
Yes, I am.
Can we talk for a minute?
Sorry, I'm a little busy right now.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Thank you.
And you help me, please?
Of course, I can help you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I will meet you at the library tomorrow.
Could you say that again, please?
I will meet you at the library tomorrow.
Thank you.
How much is this shirt? It is $20. Can I try it on? Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a sandwich, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like some water, please. I had a great time today.
Me too. It was fun.
I will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. What do you do every morning?
I wake up early and brush my teeth.
What do you do after that?
I have breakfast and go to work. How are you feeling today?
I feel a little tired.
You should get some rest.
Yes, I will relax for a while. What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to visit my friend.
What time will you go?
I will go in the afternoon.
That sounds like a good plan.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
The milk is in the dairy section.
Thank you. Is it near the eggs?
Yes, it is right next to the eggs.
Great, I'll get it now.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Where is the bus stop?
It is over there.